Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another fresh new episode on the channel. And today once again I have with me the latest budget offering from OnePlus, the OnePlus Nord. Well, if you have already not checked out the unboxing of this smartphone, then do make sure to check that out. I have already made a video on my channel because there was not some ordinary box, that was a special pop-up edition box which I received. So make sure to check that video out. Now there has been quite a lot of confusion regarding the gaming performance of this smartphone powered by the latest mid-range budget chipset, that is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor. So I have already made a detailed FPS test and a detailed gaming review in regards the handling of the game PUBG on this mobile, so make sure to check those videos out as well. Now you all must already know that by default this smartphone was supporting only up to smooth and ultra and up to HD and high. Well, I have already made a detailed FPS test in those default settings as well, and if you wished to play in extreme FPS, that is in 60 FPS, then you could also do that, the detailed FPS test after unlocking the extreme frame rate option using the GFX tool, which is there on my channel, so make sure to check them out as well. Now, did you know that you can not only unlock up to HDR extreme, but also you can enjoy the PUBG mobile in Ultra HD graphics? Yes guys, you heard it right. This smartphone is capable of handling the game in Ultra HD graphics. In this video I will show you exactly how you can enjoy the game in Ultra HD graphics. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly jump into the video. So as you all know, PUBG has already released their latest global version update, that is the version 1.0.0 with the exciting new Erangel 2.0 map. And with this update there has been a lot of changes in the settings menu. The complete PUBG mobile game has been redefined, and with it also came many unlocked features in the graphics settings for the OnePlus Nord. And I have also made a detailed video on the graphics settings that has been unlocked after the PUBG version 1.0 update on the OnePlus Nord. So if you have not yet checked that out, also that will be there in the description below. Also you can find it on the I button above. For this video I will show you how you can enjoy the Ultra HD graphics mode. Now, since the latest global version PUBG has been released just a day ago, and by default you do not get the Ultra HD option for the OnePlus Nord, but there has been a workaround. You can unlock it. And no, I'm not talking about the GFX tool because the GFX tool is still under development for the latest PUBG version. But once the GFX tool is updated, then you can definitely unlock the Ultra HD graphics as well, and most probably you can also unlock the 90 FPS frame rate on the OnePlus Nord. For now I will show you how you can get a glimpse and a quick sneak peek of the Ultra HD graphics, how it looks like on the OnePlus Nord. For that I will be playing the PUBG beta, which has been released just a week ago, the global version release. So here is the PUBG beta, but to unlock the Ultra HD graphics in the PUBG beta you have to use the GFX tool. So I will just fire up the GFX tool, and as you can see here I have the beta version. I will select the beta version. There are a lot of ads over here, and then I can change the graphics to Ultra HD, and I'll change the FPS to 60 FPS. But anyways, I will not be getting 60 FPS because in Ultra HD you can maximum get up to 30 FPS in the high-end smartphones as well. So that is the maximum level of development that PUBG has done. So I'll just accept it. Once again this ad will come. And for your information, I will also be running a FPS meter while I am playing in Ultra HD, so you can see how the game performs actually in Ultra HD mode. As you can see, the FPS meter is running. Let the game load, and yes, it has started showing the FPS. Right now it is giving 60 FPS in the lobby. Somehow, for some reason there was a update and I have to relaunch the application. I'll just set up the FPS meter, and now once again the same process. I'll be selecting beta. I am so excited guys to check out the Ultra HD graphics on the OnePlus Nord because this device has the 90 Hz AMOLED panel, and the colors in the AMOLED panel look so realistic. And once I'm inside the beta version, I'll just show you that I am currently in Ultra HD. Here you can see it is already in Ultra HD. The Ultra HD is now enabled, but it is up to high. You do not get extreme frame rate or ultra frame rate. That is the last limit which PUBG has set. So here I will be selecting realistic. I will switch on the water reflection and I'll switch on the shadows, and I'll quickly show you a quick gameplay in the Ultra HD with the Erangel 2.0 map. You can also see how much FPS it is giving, and I have already tested it previously and it gave me constant 30 FPS. Believe me guys, the texture of the road, the soil, the reflection, these are so real. In a moment I'll just show you the reflection in the water as well. Let me quickly go near the water. Look at this reflection guys, look at the water reflection. I'm not sure if you are able to see in the camera or not, but yeah. I must say guys, this device has handled the game pretty well and has performed excellently by delivering constant 30 FPS throughout the game. You can see I was monitoring the FPS and the average FPS has been 29.9 FPS. It did not fall below 28 at any times. That was just awesome guys. That's all for this video guys. If you did like this video, make sure to leave behind a like for this video. It really motivates me. If you have any suggestions for me, feel free to comment down in the comment section below. Share this video with all your friends and family. See you in another fresh episode, and if you want to see more of such awesome tech content, make sure to subscribe to this channel before leaving.